Okay, good morning to one and all. Today we have to continue with the next question. Yesterday we have seen what is a bond order, what is a bond energy, and what is a bond length. Three parameters we have discussed yesterday with the different example. Now, how does the molecular orbital forms? On the basis of the mode of overlap, discuss the formation of molecular orbital by SS, SP, and PP orbitals. It is very much interesting question as far as the molecular orbital theory is concerned. See, whenever the molecule is formed, you should have to remember there is a overlap of the atoms. When the different atoms come closer and they interact with each other and leading to the formation of the molecular orbital. For this purpose, what is the atomic orbital? That will be the questions. You know the electronic configuration. You should have to know the electronic configuration of each and every that particular element, right? And then only you can identify the orbitals. S, P, D, F. These are the orbitals present in the that particular atom. If we consider the simple hydrogen molecule, in that hydrogen molecule, hydrogen atom is there, and in the hydrogen atom, you know, hydrogen is having the only one electron, right? And that electron goes in the s orbital. Okay, 1s1. That their electronic configuration will be the 1s1. When another hydrogen molecule is come closer, that is nothing but the another 1s1 electron will be there, and these two 1s1 इलेक्ट्रॉन अभी 1s1 है, आपको पता है एक ऑर्बिटल में मैक्सिमम कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन हो सकते हैं? दो. अबू प्रिंसिपल के हिसाब से एक ऑर्बिटल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन रह सकते हैं? दो रह सकते हैं. जैसे कि एस का एक ही ऑर्बिटल होता है, पी के तीन सब ऑर्बिटल्स होते हैं, आपको पता है पी एक्स, पी वाई, पी जेड में, और उसके बाद में डी के 5 रहते हैं, एफ के 7 रहते हैं. मतलब मैक्सिमम इलेक्ट्रॉन अकोमोडेट करने की कैपेसिटी एस की 2 है, पी की 6 है, ओके, डी की 10 है और एफ की 14 है. दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. इट इज अ लॉजिकल क्वेश्चंस एंड यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग्स कि कौन से ऑर्बिटल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन रहेंगे. अभी यहाँ पे आपको दिया एस एस, एस पी, एस पी पी ओनली. मीन्स यहाँ पे एस की कैपेसिटी कितनी है? मैक्सिमम 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. हाफ फिल रहेगा तो 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन. पी में मैक्सिमम कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन रहेंगे? 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन रहेंगे. हाफ फिल रहेगा तो सिर्फ 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. आयन में हाफ फील्ड, एग्जैक्ट हाफ फील्ड रहेगा तो 3. आयन में सी है. When the two half-filled atomic orbitals of the two atoms overlap, when the two half-filled atomic orbitals of the two atoms overlap, an orbital called molecular orbitals forms. When two half-filled atomic orbitals of two atoms overlap, results in orbital called molecular orbital form. जैसे कि दो हाफ फिल्ड एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल एओस, एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स को एओस भी कहा जाता है. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल टेक्स प्लेस बाय ओवरलैपिंग ऑफ एसएस atomic orbital, sp atomic orbital, and that of the pp atomic orbitals. Now ss, you can see here example is given in the formation of the hydrogen molecule. As I said, two 1s1 electrons are there. Already I discussed this part. Okay, two 1s1 atomic orbitals of the two hydrogen atoms with the opposite spin approaches to form the molecule. You can see here, this is the 1s1, one electron is in the upward direction, another electron is in the downward direction. When they overlap, they will give the ss overlap, and resultant that particular molecule is there, that the orbital is there, it is called as the molecular orbital. इसे क्या कहते हैं? Molecular orbital. And the bond formed during these two atoms overlapping is the sigma bond. Sigma bond बोलो तो single bond. Okay. Then sp orbital, In the formation of the HF molecule, two half-filled, 1s1 and 2p2 orbital, 2pz, it is a 2pz orbital of hydrogen atom and fluorine atom respectively with the opposite spin approaches to form the molecule. See here, s orbital, this pz orbital, it will give you, see the overlapping, this node, this particular lobe of this particular pz orbital will overlap with this s orbital, and they will gives you the resultant sp overlapping, and the whatever the resultant orbital will form is called as the molecular orbital of the HF. वैसे molecular orbital of H2 था. This is again the sigma bond. pp orbital overlap, here the px मतलब px orbital overlap होगा, px orbital of the one atom overlap with the px orbital of the another atom to form the sigma bond. अगर वो px है तो they will form the sigma bond. यहाँ पे दिखाया आपको. Then okay, then another one is possibility is the py orbital overlap or pz orbital overlap. Okay, in that you can see that overlapping will be the lateral one. When the covalent bond formed by the overlapping of the two half-filled atomic orbital belonging to their valence shell along a line perpendicular to the internuclear axis, a bond form is called as the pi bond. This is a definition of the pi bond, exact definition of the pi bond. Pi bond हम किसे कहते हैं? Lateral form होने वाले bond को हम pi bond कहते हैं. Pi bond is produced by the py and pz overlap. That you have to remember. ये जो है, it is an very much important as far as the your that particular exam is concerned. That may be in the form of the MCQ or subjective type. Here that orbitals has been shown. See this, these are the resultant molecular orbital. Okay, here you can see this is the py and this is the px, right? Lateral overlapping is there. इसका मतलब क्या है कि lateral overlapping होने के बाद में क्या मिलता है आपको? pi bond. ये सारा overlapping होगा and resultant MOs we have seen. Write a note on resonance. अबे resonance किसे कहते हैं? When a molecule cannot completely represent by the single structure, but its characteristics properties can be described by two or more different structure. कोई भी मॉलिक्यूल है, हम उसको कंप्लीटली एक स्ट्रक्चर से रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, ओके, बट इट कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द टू और मोर स्ट्रक्चर, डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर, ओके, इट इज कॉल्ड रेजोनेंस फेनोमेना. It is a resonance phenomena. Resonance is a description of electronic structure of molecule or ion by means of several electronic structure in which each structure contribute in the description. Mathematically, it is represented as psi c is equal to c1 psi1 plus c2 psi2 plus c3 psi2 plus dot 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 dot. Resonance is represented by drawing a double-headed arrow between the contributing structure. Due to resonance, energy of the molecule become lower than the any of resonating structure, therefore remains given extra stability to the molecule. अभी यहाँ पे देखेंगे आप C है, अभी कार्बोनिल लिया है, बराबर है, C डबल बॉन्ड O इज नथिंग बट अ कार्बोनिल ग्रुप. कार्बन के ऊपर यहाँ पे लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है. अब ये जो लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है, राइट, और यहाँ पे भी ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर भी लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है, तो ये इंटरफेयर करेंगे, दे विल कंट्रीब्यूट. सी हियर, यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड है, बराबर है, कार्बन सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ, यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर दो लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं, तो ये क्या करेंगे, इट विल कंट्रीब्यूट. अब ये कंट्रीब्यूट कैसे करेंगे, तो ये जब ऑक्सीजन जो है, व्हाटएवर द ऑक्सीजन इज देयर, अभी ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर की एक लोन पेयर क्या करेंगे, बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन में जाएंगे। आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं तो ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज आएगा, यहाँ पे तीसरा बॉन्ड फॉर्म होगा, तो ये सेकंड स्ट्रक्चर है। थर्ड स्ट्रक्चर में क्या है कि कार्बन के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर भी पॉजिटिव चार्ज है। सॉरी, दिस व्हाट विल हैपन नाउ, कार्बन विल बी द, अभी कार्बन के ऊपर क्या हुआ, इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी ज्यादा हो गई है, इसलिए एरो इधर हो गया है में। ये these are the third structure. Write a note on sigma bond and a pi bond. Write a note on sigma and pi covalent bond. ये सब दोनों भी covalent bond है, ionic bond नहीं है. When the covalent bond is formed overlapping of the atomic orbitals along the same axis or having symmetry or same alignment or along internucleus axis is called as the sigma bond. जैसे कि हमने एस देखा, ओके, यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल में हमने दूसरा भी देखा था, sp-z देखा, राइट है। इससे रिजल्ट होने वाला जो बॉन्ड है दैट विल बी द योर, व्हाट वी कैन से इट इज अ सिग्मा बॉन्ड। व्हेन द कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म बाय ओवरलैपिंग ऑफ टू half filled atomic orbitals belonging to their valence shell along a line perpendicular to the internuclear axis, okay, a bond form is called pi bond. In other words, pi bond is produced by sidewise overlap or lateral overlap of two half-filled atomic orbitals belongs to the valence shell of two combining atoms. Lateral overlap जब से दिखाया है कि कैसे lateral overlap होता है, सेम डायग्राम इज देयर। ये क्वेश्चन आपको सेपरेट आ सकता है। नाउ द इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट इज द हाइब्रिडाइजेशन। हाइब्रिडाइजेशन किसे कहते हैं, बता रहे, hybridization is nothing but the combination of atomic orbital of some or near similar energy of same or nearly similar energy to form equal number of new orbitals of equivalent energy is called as hybridization. And resulting orbital are called as hybrid orbitals. What is the hybrid orbitals? Whatever the orbitals will form after the combination of these atomic orbitals, में कि जब कैसे रहता है, सेम और नियरली सिमिलर एनर्जी जब रहती है तब क्या होता है, they will come together and they will give you the equivalent energy is called as the, or a new orbital with the equivalent energy is called as the hybridization, and the resulting orbital is called as the, that particular your hybrid orbital. The hybrid orbitals assume direction of the dominating orbitals. That is very much important as far as the MCQ is concerned. Hybridization having significant importance in the determining of the shape and the geometry of molecule. Depending on the number of nature of atomic orbitals, different type of the hybrid orbitals form and different type of the hybridization are found, of which most common sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d, sp3d2, then sp3d3. These are the some that particular hybridizations are observed in that. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask if you are not getting anything. Remaining part we will see in the next lecture. Here we will stop. Thank you.